Hello बच्चों, today we are going to learn how to solve CSAT comprehension with 100% accuracy. So let's go to our next slide. So first of all, solving comprehension efficiently need efficient reading of the comprehension, that is well and uh, complete understanding of the passage, what is given in that, what is author's opinion, what is the essence of the passage, what is the central idea of the passage, that we should know, that we should understand by reading the passage. So for reading the comprehension efficiently, I am going to give you some tips. So passage has two parts, crux and framework. Crux is nothing but most important message or author's opinion that can be mentioned in the passage or cannot be mentioned in the passage. Whenever it is not mentioned in the passage, that time you need to infer it from the passage with your understanding of the passage. So read the passage well, understand it first. And second part is framework. So framework is nothing but supporting facts and analysis to the crux of the passage. So, whenever reading the passage, give more focus on the central idea of the passage. So, first tip is try to read something every day. So, read something every day. It can be any article, any editorial, or anything which is related to your study, your interest. So, it will increase your reading speed, it will increase your understanding skill, it will increase your comprehend skill. So next tip is read the passage as a story while focusing on the central idea of the passage. So whenever reading the passage, read it as a story and give more focus on the central idea of the passage. So what is the theme of the passage? What is author's opinion? What is the subject of the passage? So give more focus on that. Next tip is try to relate the information given to what you already knows. So for while preparing for the exam, you have read so much stuff for GS and other optional subjects. So you have read lots of stuff. So you know everything and about various subjects. So try to relate that information with the information given in the passage. But always remember one thing, that never use your personal knowledge to select or eliminate an option. So whenever selecting an option, it selects select only based on the passage. Do not go beyond the passage, out of the scope of the passage. Only select the option based on the passage only. Next tip is be articulate to yourself, communicate with the passage so it will improve your focus. So whenever reading the passage, try to communicate with it. Do not just read it. Try to use your finger as a pacer to improve your focus, and mm, it will avoid distracting you while reading the passage. It will improve your concentration, it will improve your focus so that you can understand the passage well and come to the accurate answer easily. Next tip is do not try to be fast reader. So don't try to read the passage fast. Our first aim should be understand the passage well. So, whenever reading, read with your own speed so that you can understand the passage and you can draw the accurate answer if you understood the passage. So, do not try to be fast reader while reading the passage. Understand it with your own speed at which you are most comfortable. So, I think so all of you understood how to read passage efficiently. In the next lecture, we are going to see the keywords used in the questions, the keywords used in the um, question paper exam, and we are going to understand the meaning of the each keyword in the next lecture so that you can draw the right answer with the understanding, and we are going to learn the some rules to solve the passage efficiently, accurately. So be stay be stay with me, stay tuned with me, and be confident. Do not take burden, learn with fun and enjoy learning. All the best.